Yeah, so I'm probably gonna break my back. Not because I'm bending it, but because I have so much things in my backpack, so.
Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass.
Hi guys, so I know you guys hate me for making this video, and I know I kind of don't want to do it either. The reason why I went shopping early this year was just because every single year, I'm not even kidding, I'm not exaggerating, I always go shopping the day before. Every single year I went before the day before school started, because that's when I knew like my schedule, my classes, and I guess it's smart. That's actually a complete lie. Like literally the day before I'm like, wait, school starts tomorrow, I probably should get my stuff. It's really not because of that, I just said that, but it's really just because I like pushed it off and I was lazy. But it's not smart because everything's sold out and everything's gone, so you are left with the ugly things and you don't have any school supplies. So this year I obviously was prepared. There was literally every single thing. Today's July 23rd. I'm probably gonna upload this like way later just because I don't want you guys to see this during the summer and freak out, because trust me, if I were you, I would not want to see that. I would literally unsubscribe. So yeah, I kind of went a little bit crazy. Don't ask. So obviously I went to Target. Okay, hey Marcel. So the first thing that I got are these scissors, and these are like baby scissors, and these are really cute and nice. I thought they were perfect. Okay, anyways, so I got some scissors. Obviously I'm one person, I don't need two, so I'm getting the other one to my sister. These are little kid scissors and they're so cute. I'm getting the teal one. I actually didn't think I was gonna need scissors last year, but I kind of do. I don't really need them for like what you actually think you need them for, like cutting paper or something. I needed them for like the dumbest things, like cutting string off my jeans or something. Like literally that's what I needed them for. So I'm gonna have them just in case. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got these. I have been looking for these erasers everywhere, and every year I go, so they're all gone. But these are literally the best erasers you can ever get in your entire life. Polymer erasers, and these are so freaking good. If you know me, I make a lot of mistakes in life and in school. It's a 4-pack, and this was literally only $1.89. I'm pretty sure. Like, I was really tempted to get another pack, but I'm trying to be nice and let other people get some. So I always end up finding them on the floor and stealing them because they're really good. I'm very happy about these. These are my babies. I'm gonna cry if I lose one. I probably will, but it's okay. Oh, also I got stuff from Amazon as well. So from Amazon I got the 4-pack of the Papermate pencils. These are the best pencils in the entire world. They work so well, and they're my babies. I love them so much. I will literally love them so much. These are what they look like. I got those. From Target I got the Bic pencils, and these are like really nice, but these are more on the cheaper side. There's a lot of them, so I'm probably gonna like put a bunch in my pencil case, and if someone wants one I can give them one. It's okay, I can tell now. Thank you. My mom gave me chips. Yay. Okay, anyways, the colors are super cute, and these are just some basic pencils. Again, I won't really care if I lose them, and these are thick ones, like the lead is kind of thick, which I don't really like, but it's fine. Then from Amazon I got a pencil case, and this one is so cute. So I didn't know, I kind of have a theme and I didn't even plan it. I got like a blue pencil case, and it has like this like beige color, and it's super cute. I haven't like opened it yet, but I'm pretty sure it holds a lot. Ooh, she's really nice. I like her. Okay, yeah, I need a pencil case. I've always put my pencils in this pocket. By the way, I'm using the same backpack because I'm broke and I'm not gonna buy new ones, because I spent all my money and I'm not trying to buy another backpack that could literally last like 5 more years. So I'm gonna use the same one. It's just a JanSport one that's kind of basic. It just gets really dirty inside, and like the lead falls out and there's like crumbs, and it's gross. Like, I eat a lot of food. If you don't know me, I eat in class. I get like crumbs all over, and it's kind of gross, so I need to like make sure my pencils are nice. So I got a pencil case so I could just put it inside there. Let's see if it fits. Bless the Lord. Oh my gosh. So it has a little pocket, and then I love the color. It's like blue, and yeah, I've been starting to like blue a lot. Like, I got a binder because a bunch of people like folders better, but I don't really like folders. because the paper falls out of them, and I always like having a binder, like one big binder to have all my subjects and my homework in here. I don't know, I think it's just a me thing. Got the Avery clear cover heavy duty for extended use binder. This was kind of expensive, but a lot of my binders break, so hopefully this one doesn't break. And there's little like D-rings, I think they're called. Yeah. Yeah, got that. Then I got dividers for my binder, and I like using the pocket ones with the pockets, so you could just have like math and put your math homework in it, and then English and put your English. Like, I don't know, I think it's a lot easier than having like 5 million folders. I don't know. It's the flex folder because I'm flexing on all my students. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a little binder organizer divider thing. Got some notebooks. So I got the Mead or Med one subject college ruled notebook. I like college ruled better than wide ruled because it's tighter and the lines are like tighter. I don't know, I think it's a lot prettier than like wide ruled. Thicker book, a thicker notebook, and this one's a gray one, and it looks like this. It has like a fancy like ruler thingy in here. It said it was gonna last all year, so hopefully it does, because I don't like buying new school supplies. So hopefully this works all year. So then I got a planner. This is the Blue Sky tabbed planner, and I can't do my homework. Like, I'll literally fail if I don't have a planner. I don't know why. Like in 7th grade I had a planner that the school gave us, and I like passed all my classes and it was fine. 8th grade I like stopped using it, and I always forgot because I have bad memory. So I like having a planner to write everything down. This one's super cute. So hopefully I can write everything down, but it looks really pink and pretty, so you have like homework blah 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 blah. So yeah, I think it's cute. It's big and it's nice and it's pretty, so I got her. Then I got some index cards, and I actually am really stupid because I already have these, but I don't know, just got some wide ruled or ruled index cards. Then I got some lead, and I got all of this from Daiso, which is like a Japanese, basically a Japanese dollar store, and everything is $1.50, which is super good. So I got like a bunch of stuff. I got erasers, and I already have them. I don't know why I bought more erasers, so I might give these away. And then I got some lead. This is my favorite one. It's super cheap and it's really good. Then I got these highlighters from Amazon. I got a bunch of stationery and like for bullet journaling and stuff, and so I figured it would be pretty cool. And everything else I unboxed, so they're not in the little packaging anymore, but this one is. So these are the Stabilo pens highlighter things, and these are super nice for studying and stuff like that. And I also got like the zebra pens over here, and these are really nice, and they're just really good quality. And I started bullet journaling and calligraphy and all that, so I think it's pretty good. It's just what they look like. So this year I didn't get like the Sharpies from like the highlighters from Sharpie, like. And then I got some brush pens, but these are literally not related to school, so I just, yeah. Now moving on to what I got from Costco. So some of this stuff is like underwear, so I'm not gonna show that. So I got some underwear. Okay, I got this thing, and first of all, I'm sharing it with my entire family because I don't need all this for myself. I'm probably just gonna use 1 or 2. So yeah, it comes with blue and black, and Costco was really cheap. I think this was like $8, which is really good. If you have siblings and you share a lot of school supplies, go to Costco for your shopping because it's a lot cheaper. Then I got more notebooks because 2 notebooks won't last me all my subjects, so I got 2 more of this. Again, I'm sharing with my sister, so we split it, so that's why it's not in packaging. But I got this one. These are really thick. And then lastly, I got this like mini composition notebook, and I actually love these because these don't rip at all. They're super nice and they work really nice. I don't know which class I'm gonna use this one for because it's super like thin and there's not that much compared to all my other notebooks. Then I got some socks because Costco has some really comfortable socks. So, but yeah, again, for my backpack, I'm just using the same one. It's just a JanSport one. Pretty basic. I've had this one since 7th grade, which is actually not that long, so I think it's pretty good. By the way, I bought everything with my own money, so thank you for watching my videos, and I'm for sure giving away a Hydro Flask and some Glossier products.
I didn't really mention it in the video, but I am planning on doing like a 100K giveaway, so stay tuned and subscribe if you aren't already. It's not gonna be back to school, it's more gonna be like a makeup related thing. I was thinking about a Hydro Flask and like some makeup for warm winter. once I hit 100K, so stay tuned. But also I did redo my room, and I have a lot of exciting videos coming up, so as I literally am so proud of my room right now. Like, it looks pretty good. So if you want to see my room tour and me redoing my room, subscribe and stay tuned for that as well.
Stay tuned. Again, I did buy everything with my own money, and I'm super grateful for everything. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below when you guys start school, because I start school on like August 15th, I think. Comment down below and I will be for sure doing a like first day of school get ready with me. So if you guys enjoy, my battery is dying, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and follow my social medias while you're at it. I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.